Hi guys, it's TinaGale here, and I have another little haul video. This is kind of a little specialty product. So if you watched my recent paper haul, I had mentioned that I had signed up for Page Pal's number 5 classes. They're online classes, and it's one a month, and it's a mini album and then layouts. You can still buy the actual class instructions and join online, but you can't buy the kit anymore, which included all of the products. So I had done that, but I am falling in love with her projects and some little mini albums. So this is one reason why I got this, and she shared these, and so I went and bought. I don't know how to do this. So it's to help with book binding, and I got a couple of extra little things here. Actually, you know what? I hadn't even dug all the way to the bottom. I'm seeing more stuff. Fun. Okay, cute pink bag. How can you resist? Okay, so this is the Crafty Shop by Sachet. They're actually in Oklahoma, which I'm in Oklahoma, so I thought that was really great. And I'll show you in a minute kind of how this works, and I may do a video to show more. But she actually, there's lots of different people on there that do these, but she actually will put your name in them, so I thought that was extra cool. So I ordered them in pink and put my name on there. And so this is the little mini album that we did in one of Paige's class. So we make the whole book binding, which I've done these before, and I'm like, oh, it's just too much work. But again, true Paige fashion, I had this put together in no time. So these tools definitely will help make it even quicker. But look how adorable that is. I need to get photos and finish that up, but I just wanted to show. It just helps you make like the binding, being able to miter your corners and do all that. That's what this one is for. So a lot of fun. Do your spacing just right. And then I also ordered, she has these glue holders, and I had been wanting one of these so they match. So you can put your glue upside down. I don't know if I have one over here. Nope. And then, so that one's for like the mono adhesive. Bigger bottles, and then these were for smaller ones with the smaller tips, but I wasn't for sure how the inside was done and if I could use my long thin tip, you know, the skinny tip. I didn't know if they would stay or not, so I ordered both. I think they'll be great one way or the other. I'll use always. Oh, I will use all of them. Get it out in a minute. Okay. So that's just a little thank you, but then it has this cute little black bow tie charm that's made out of this plastic too. Little gift inside of there. So I wanted to show that. I'll try to share kind of how to use these, and I'll put a link to her shop down below. If you do shop with her, just, not that I'm going to get anything, but maybe just drop a line and tell her that you saw it here. And maybe I could do some collaborations with her or something, but yeah. I won't receive anything, but just to let her know that I referred you. That's my other little goodies. I hope you guys are staying scrappy and having lots of fun. You've had a wonderful summer. It's gone by way too fast. But yeah, so I have finished school. If you want to finish this video, you can stop now. If you want a little personal update, you can hang in there. If you've followed me for a long time and realized I've been out for a while. So my little update is I have finally finished school. There are no more classes other than I'm taking classes at work for my job. I'm working at a very stressful job. I'm getting ready to become a Nana for the first time. So my daughter is expecting my first grandchild. It's going to be a little boy, and we have about 4 more weeks, and I'm just so excited for that. And so I am dabbling a little bit scrapbooking on the weekends for a little bit and a couple of evenings a week. So I'm hoping to get back in full force here pretty soon. So thank you guys for whoever has hung out over this long period of where I've been kind of hit or miss. But that's just a little update for me. Love all of your comments. Thank you so much for supporting me. And again, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.